When we talk about innovative wall design, the usual suspects are things like bold paint colors, wallpaper with striking patterns, maybe even stone or brick veneers. But there's a rising star in the world of interior creativity, and it's quietly transforming ordinary walls into masterpieces of texture, rhythm, and warmth. That star is the Hexagon wooden wall tile. Now, hexagon shapes have been around in nature forever. Think of honeycombs, crystals, and even the molecular patterns of snowflakes. There's a subtle elegance to the hexagon. It's a shape that feels mathematical and artistic at the same time. It's strong, efficient, and somehow deeply satisfying to the human eye. When you bring that shape into the world of wood and interior design, you get something truly remarkable. A fusion of natural material and geometric harmony that instantly elevates any space. Hexagon wooden wall tiles are not just decorative panels. They're expressive elements that redefine the surface of a wall. These tiles can be arranged in endless configurations. You can keep them tight and uniform, creating a smooth honeycomb effect, or stagger and rotate them to produce movement and flow. Some designs incorporate multiple tones of wood, light maple, warm walnut, deep mahogany, pale ash, all coming together in a way that feels organic and alive. Others go for bold contrast, alternating raw wood with painted or stained surfaces to build depth and visual intrigue. But let's take a moment to imagine walking into a room where an entire wall, or even just a striking section of one, is covered in hexagonal wooden tiles. The effect is immediate. There's a sense of artistry, a sense of craftsmanship. These aren't flat, lifeless tiles, they have texture. They catch the light. They invite touch. They feel warm and grounded. Unlike cold materials like ceramic or glass, wooden tiles carry with them the soul of the tree they once were. Each tile is slightly different, a unique fingerprint of grain and growth. You might see a wall tiled in uniform hexagons, every piece a gentle blonde tone, creating a soothing Scandinavian aesthetic. Or maybe you see a bold mosaic, tiles of varying depths, sizes, and wood types, forming a kind of living tapestry that feels like abstract art. Some designs play with shadow by adjusting the thickness of each tile, giving the wall a three-dimensional quality that changes throughout the day. As the sun moves, so does the art. It lives with the room. It breathes with the light. There's also something deeply meditative about hexagon patterns. Because the shape is symmetrical and repeats so perfectly, it brings a sense of balance and order. At the same time, the natural variance in wood grain breaks that perfection just enough to make it feel human and personal. It's a dance between precision and imperfection, a balance that feels incredibly comforting to live with. In practical terms, hexagon wooden wall tiles offer incredible versatility. They're being used in living rooms, bedrooms, hallways, offices, cafes, even boutique hotels. In a minimalist home, a feature wall made of soft hexagonal wood tiles can warm up the space and become a centerpiece. In a boho or eclectic room, mixing tiles of different colors, finishes, and depths can add vibrancy and texture. In a modern or industrial interior, pairing darker stained tiles with metal accents can create a sleek, masculine vibe. What's fascinating is that these tiles aren't just used for covering entire walls. Many people use them in clusters, small groups of hexagons that drift across the wall like wooden clouds, creating points of interest without overwhelming the room. Others frame hexagon tile groupings like art pieces, geometric wood murals that hang like sculptures. There's no single right way to use them, and that's the magic of it. Every installation becomes a reflection of the space and the personality behind it. There's also a growing trend of combining hexagon wooden tiles with other materials. Think resin infills, metallic lines, or even moss for a biophilic twist. These mixed media installations add another layer of storytelling. For instance, a set of warm walnut tiles with copper inlays can feel luxurious and modern. A mix of weathered wood and greenery might evoke the feel of a forest canopy. Some creators use colored epoxy within the hex tiles to simulate river-like streams flowing through a wooden landscape. The options are as limitless as the imagination. The appeal of hexagon wooden wall tiles isn't just about the look, it's about the atmosphere they create. Wood has a way of softening a space. It reduces harsh echoes. It diffuses light gently. It makes a room feel more lived in and more inviting. Add to that the rhythm of repeating hexagons, and you get a room that feels designed, not just decorated. It feels curated, intentional, and balanced. For artists and makers, creating hexagonal wooden tiles can become a craft all its own. It's not just cutting six-sided pieces from a plank. It's about choosing the right wood, matching the grain, sanding and finishing with care, and understanding how light will hit the wall. Each tile becomes a little piece of personality. Some artisans experiment with tiles that include engravings, tiny carvings, or patterns burned into the wood. Others keep it clean, letting the grain do all the talking. And this trend isn't going away. In fact, as people continue to move away from disposable, mass-produced home decor, and seek materials that are sustainable, customizable, and tactile, wood continues to grow in popularity. Hexagon designs hit the sweet spot between artistic flair and mathematical harmony. They're sculptural, modern, and yet deeply tied to nature. There's also something powerful about how these tiles evolve over time. Wood changes subtly as it ages. It deepens in tone. It gains character. It records the story of the space it's in. That makes every wall a kind of living archive. It captures sunlight. It absorbs scent. It reacts to humidity. And it becomes more beautiful, not less, as the years pass. That's something plastic or synthetic wall panels will never offer. For those looking to make a statement in their space, to break free from flat, lifeless surfaces and embrace something with soul, hexagon wooden wall tiles are a stunning option. They are more than decoration. They're part of a growing movement in interior design that values craftsmanship, texture, geometry. In a world where many things are flat and digital, wooden tiles, especially ones shaped into these beautiful hexagons, remind us that real things still matter. Real texture, real warmth, real craftsmanship. They help us feel grounded, and they make the spaces we live and work in more meaningful. A story in 6 sides, made of grain and geometry, harmony and heart. That's the quiet brilliance of hexagon wooden wall decor. It's not just a pattern, it's a presence. One that brings balance, flow, and a sense of thoughtful design into your space without ever needing to shout. The hexagon draws the eye in a way that feels both natural and structured, comforting yet compelling. It reflects the elegance of order and the fluidity of creativity, a balance not often found in interior elements. In nature, hexagons are everywhere, in honeycombs, crystal formations, even the patterns on turtle shells. They are nature's proof that strength and beauty go hand in hand. When you bring that same geometry into your home through the warmth of wood, you're not just hanging art, you're creating a conversation between the natural world and your personal environment. You're choosing a design language that speaks softly but with undeniable clarity. And let's talk about the wood itself. Each tile, each piece carries its own story in the grain. No two are ever exactly alike. That means your wall, your installation, your space becomes uniquely yours. It's not copied. It's not mass-produced. It's something that evolves, piece by piece as you build it. Whether you choose deep walnut tones for drama and richness, light birch for minimalism and airiness, or reclaimed wood for an earth-conscious rustic charm, every hexagon adds more than just structure. It adds soul. What's even more exciting is how customizable these installations can be. Some choose to arrange their tiles in orderly rows, symmetrical and calming. Others go for a more dynamic layout with shifting patterns, empty spaces, and contrasting wood tones that add rhythm and motion to the wall. You can integrate lighting between the shapes, add live-edge pieces for a natural rawness, or mix in colors and textures for a bold visual statement. The hexagon becomes your canvas and the possibilities are endless. But beyond the design choices, there's something else these walls offer: emotion. A sense of calm, a feeling of intention. A reminder that spaces aren't just built, they're felt. They reflect how we live, how we think, and what we value. A wall of wooden hexagons can represent structure, creativity, connection, or simply the desire to surround yourself with something that makes you pause and appreciate the details. So whether you're decorating a cozy reading nook, modernizing your hallway, or adding dimension to a commercial space, wooden hexagon wall art is a timeless option. It's sculptural. It's versatile. It's rooted in nature but open to interpretation. It speaks to the past, the craftsman's touch, the grain of ancient trees, and also to the future where design becomes more personal, more sustainable, more meaningful. Because at the end of the day, great design isn't about filling space. It's about shaping experiences. And a well-crafted hexagon wall, built from wood, layered with intention and lit with natural warmth, does exactly that. It brings structure and softness, nature and art, simplicity and depth, all together in a way that feels whole, complete, beautiful. So take that empty wall, that unused corner, that quiet hallway, and let it speak. Let it tell your story. One hexagon at a time.